Welcome to the channel, everybody. On today's episode, it's RC stands, work stands. Well, let's go ahead and cut up into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The link to this RC stand that we're going to be using is going to be in the description. It's off of Amazon. I explain everything throughout the video. Let's go ahead and check it out, everybody. Well, as you guys can see, I got the old faithful Duratrax plastic work stand. These things, they work okay for what they are, but they are plastic, they're weak, they break, things happen. So let's get out with the old. In with the new. This thing is a beast. I like it. As you guys can see, got spots for your shocks. Different size shocks. You can hang them here. Both sides. Got a ruler so you can keep your link straight. You're in inches and centimeters. Got magnet strip. So some of your small screws and stuff, you can just drop right there and they're right there for you. Get you good up close. Adjustable height. That is going to come in useful, especially with some of you boys that's got some killer flex. I want to see what this thing looks like with a car on it. And you guys already know what this was purchased for. The new build. Now, that's a whole lot better. Look at the height difference. I can put the old one underneath it and still not even touch it. Well, we all know what we're going to do with this thing. See ya. We don't need that no more. Not where we're going. Let's see everything that comes in this kit, everybody. We got the stand. We have little handheld wrench, which most of us is probably not going to use this, but if you're out in the field, this will work good. We got our turnbuckle tool. Hold shocks too if you need them. Try it on a magnet tray. Look at that, it holds. We got, of course, our wheel key. Can't never have enough wheel keys with us. We got a pair of tweezers. Real small pair. I think those will work pretty good for some stuff. We got a pile of bits. Got your wheel nut, magnetic. Now that is going to be a game changer. We have the smaller nut, magnetic. Then we got 1.5, 1.5, all the way to 2.0, plus a straight slot and a small Phillips. We all need them small Phillips sometimes. And a magnetic parts tray. All need a magnetic parts tray. And are you guys saying, is that it? Is that all you get for that price? No. it is not. We have Booyah, a full kit. Even comes with some small Allens you can bring with you. Let's see. Body pins. You got all types of size screws. Some nuts, washers. Smaller nuts, some O-rings, washers. All your size bolts you need. You got your button heads. You got your flat head. I mean, you got it all in here. This is over 500 pieces, guys, that you get for that price. Now, most of us, you know, have a little travel kit we bring with us where we go. But you know what? For this price, it is definitely worth it. This thing is $36 at the time of this video. All right. And look closely, because you can get this at 20% off if they still have it available at the time of this video. So make sure you check it out before you check out. Apply that 20% off, and it'll bring it down to like $28, $29. So definitely want to check it out. It's well worth the money. This thing is awesome. And I want to see something. We all know how crazy my Wraith is. We're gonna test something. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back with you. All right, up here on the bench, I've got the Wraith sitting on the Duratrax work stand. Now, with the tires on this truck, I am on the ground, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get the Wraith off. Let's go ahead and get that stand out of the way and put the new car stand up here. Now, here we go. The Wraith is going to go up on top of that one now. Now, look at that. I can get my hand underneath the tires now. Don't tell me that ain't better. That makes working on this truck and any other truck so much easier. We got so much room. And it's pretty stable. I think it's a win-win, guys. So, until next time, everybody, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give that video a big thumbs up as well. And don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to get yourself one of these. I appreciate it, everybody. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one.